Are you wondering how to sync Salesforce with HubSpot? Well, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it quickly and easily, making your CRM workflow smoother and more efficient. Stick around to the end, because I'll also be sharing how you can access the software for free with some exclusive bonuses. Now, syncing Salesforce with HubSpot isn't as hard as it sounds. It's actually an incredibly useful integration for businesses that use both platforms to manage their sales and marketing efforts. It allows you to have a centralized place where you can view customer information, sales activities, and much more all in one spot. First thing you'll need to do is ensure that you have the right access. You'll need admin privileges in both Salesforce and HubSpot, so make sure you're set up before you begin the integration process. Next thing you'll need to do is head over to HubSpot's integration page for Salesforce. There, you'll find a dedicated integration tool that guides you through connecting the two platforms. You'll be asked to log in to your Salesforce account and grant HubSpot the necessary permissions to access your Salesforce data. After you've logged into both platforms, you'll need to configure the sync settings. HubSpot gives you options on what information you'd like to sync between the two platforms, such as contacts, opportunities, or tasks. This is an important step to make sure you're syncing exactly what you need for your business. The fourth thing to note is to set up the sync direction. You can choose whether you want a one-way sync or a two-way sync. A one-way sync only pushes data from Salesforce to HubSpot, while a two-way sync will let data flow back and forth, keeping both platforms updated automatically. Once everything is set up, the sync should be active, and your data will start flowing seamlessly between Salesforce and HubSpot. But you might want to test it out. Make sure to create or update a contact or deal in one platform and check if it's reflected in the other platform. This step ensures the integration is working smoothly. Lastly, if anything goes wrong, both platforms offer troubleshooting guides. Salesforce and HubSpot are well documented, and you can always find a solution if the sync doesn't work as expected. Just to recap, syncing Salesforce with HubSpot will help you manage both platforms more efficiently, saving you time and ensuring you're working with the most up-to-date information. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, this integration is incredibly valuable. And remember, you can start using HubSpot for completely free from the first link below, and I'm offering you exclusive bonuses with your free trial to help you get the most out of it. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to check out the link below for your extended free trial, and let me know if you have any questions about syncing Salesforce with HubSpot.